Welcome to my new channel. In this video I introduced Aston Martin a significantly updated Vantage in early 2024. Deliveries starting Q2 2024. The key goal was greater performance, sharper dynamics, updated styling, and a new interior, infotainment system. Engine performance. Engine, 4.0-liter twin-turbocharged V8, heavily revised. Power, 665 PS. A 655-670 bhp depending on exact spec. Torque, 800 Nm. Transmission, 8-speed automatic. ZF. Drivetrain, rear-wheel drive. Performance figures: 0 to 100 km per hour, 0 to 62 miles per hour, 3.4 seconds. Top speed, 202 miles per hour, a 325 km per hour. Chassis. Handling dynamics, perfect 50 hours 50 minutes weight distribution claimed. Adaptive dampers, Bilstein DTX system. Electronic rear differential, EDIF, for better traction and handling. Revised underbody and strength and structure, more torsional rigidity, improved stiffness under cornering, etc. Tires, Michelin Pilot Sport S5 specially sized, front rear, for this model. Design styling. Exterior, wider stance, till the 30 mm wider compared to previous, larger grille, recontoured. Front fascia revised, sharper design, integrated splitter, etc. Lighting, new matrix LED headlamps with updated DRLs. Roadster version available, soft top Z-fold mechanism. Interior technology, new infotainment system, next generation, with online connectivity, multiple screens, and control gestures etc. Higher quality materials, upgraded leather, more stitching, improved finish. Driver modes, multiple modes, wet, sport, sports plus, track, individual, to adjust steering, drivetrain, chassis behavior. Dimensions. Other specs. Height, 1,275 mm. Width, including mirrors, 2,124 mm. Fuel tank, 78 liters. What's changed versus previous model? The biggest power, torque jump in Vantage history, plus 30% power, plus 15% torque over its predecessor. Improvements in structure, engine cooling, aerodynamics, etc. to support the higher performance. Interior tech have caught up with more modern competitors.